Hello there, wet shaving lovers. Mikey Shaves back with you. Got another shave for you. And let's see, for the brush, I'm going to be using the Sterling synthetic 2-band, I think it is. Real soft brush, backbone and everything. Good brush. And I'm going to be using some of this Pino Silverstre Shave Master soap right here. Smells like pine trees, Christmas tree and all that. Be using that, and I'll be lathering it up in my my shaving bowl. Be lathering it up in that. And for the razor, I'm going to be using my Eagle. Yeah, I had to modify a blade, get one of them gem blades, and I just cut it down and I put the thing back on it. But the new improved Eagle Lather catcher that flies above all other lather catchers. It's a good, sufficient razor too. And I'll be shaving with that for the razor. Now the original Eagle Lather catcher looked like this. Oh, that's the original Eagle Lather catcher. I think it says Eagle. Yeah, it looks like Eagle. The Eagle, that was the original. Yeah, it had an extension there I can put on it too. And the blades for this new improved Eagle Lather catcher, I got the box and everything for it. Even got a sharpening rock that you could sharpen the blades on it. But this is how the original blades look. They look like that, the original blades. It's got Eagle wrote on top. That was the original blades. All I do is just get a gem blade, SE blade, and I just trim it down to this size and put the spine back on it. Modify a blade. But that was the original blade, and it has like a sharpening rock that you, I guess they used to sharpen it on. I tried using one of these blades. I have to sharpen it or something, but you know, I ain't got time for that. I just use modify a gem blade. Puts on a gem blade, cut it down like that one, make it look like that one. So let's see here. Let me wet my face right quick. Okay, let's get some of this Pino Silverstre Shave Master. And let's get some paste on this from this so we can put it in the bowl and start lathering in the bowl to get all the bubbles out of it. I'm going to put that in the bowl. All right. Let's use a little bit more water. I'm just wetting the top of the tips like I would do if I was face lathering. Look at that, looking good already. Put a little bit more water. And if you have a brush that gives you brush burns, it's best to do this. Which this brush don't, it's just soft and synthetic. I like that horsehair brush I was using without soaking it. Yeah, it's looking good. It's getting there, y'all. That's gonna be enough soap, because I ain't gonna do it 2 passes and a cleanup, a touch up, a pick up. And it's so easy to make soap in a bowl. For creams in a tube or something, it comes in so handy. That's it. All you gotta do is paint it on. Make sure you get all the bubbles out of the soap though. Just keep swirling it inside the bowl. Man down. Look at that beautiful lather, y'all. Okay, let's do the first pass. So I want you to thank y'all for the new subscribers that's been subscribing to me. And thank you for all the beautiful comments. And we still got plenty of lather on that brush right there. Look at that sheen. Okay. All right. And like I said, I got a modified blade in here where I just trimmed down a Persona gem blade. And just put the spine back on it. All right. With the razor, first pass, and this thing shaves good, and it feels good. I like the feedback these things can make. See how it's catching the leather, catching the lather, a lather catcher? Because people didn't have running water back in the old days, and they had to do passes without rinse. Now I can rinse it. I mean, I could have kept going with the lather getting caught inside here, but gets on the nose real good, these lather catchers. Boy, it feels good to shave with a razor from the old days. Oh my gosh, why they get away from the art? All this junk razors they got these days, 5 blades, 6 blades. Okay, first pass done, beautiful first pass. Oh yeah. All right. With the face, some of this beautiful lather in the bowl. Quit wasting water, Mikey. Okay. Hope y'all doing okay today. Doing good. Having some beautiful shaves. Yeah, shout out to my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much. That really helps my channel. Feel free to subscribe, comment. Now look, I might not answer everybody because sometimes I get comments from another that I don't even see. I'm not that type of person. I'm a good person. I'm a nice person. If I see you, I'm going to answer you. So I'm sorry about that if I didn't answer your comment. Okay, let's do the second pass. Going across the green. This thing shaves so good, y'all, and it's very efficient. I don't shave with it enough either. Can I do the Gillette slide on the neck? Light pressure with any razor. I don't care what it is. That's one of the arts techniques of shaving with a razor, or an old Tommy Safer razor especially. Let's go across right here. Okay. Now, let's do a cleanup. Wet my fingers. I might do a face wash with that leftover shaving cream on the brush and bowl. Doing the neck first. I got a BBS, y'all. It gets on the nose real good, this razor. With the razor head, the lather catcher head. Well, this thing shaves so good. I'm just filling around for sandpaper. I call it. One guy got tickled at me calling it sandpaper. I forgot his name. And that's it. That's a BBS. Get the corner in that nose. BBS, y'all. BBS. Okay, such a good shaving lather catcher too. Man, boy, is that something. The new improved Eagle Lather catcher. The lather catcher that flies above all other lather catchers. It's awesome. Let me wet my face. And like I said, don't forget, just don't waste this. Look at all that. Beautiful. You rinse it off. Good face wash. Now cold water, I kind of had lukewarm water. Yep, the face wash came from the legend himself. Oh, who was it? I forgot that guy's name. I don't have his accent, but me and him got the same blood in us. Irish, Scottish. What's his name? It ain't Paul Hims, Paul Finn, whatever his name is from that, it's the other one. I forgot his name. He's the one that I think he started that face wash stuff. Okay. Oh. All right, just cleaning this up right quick. Put the lid back on that soap. Okay, dang, it's on the tip of my tongue. Okay, let's use some of this Thayer's cucumber face toner. Oh, that's beautiful, y'all. A BBS shave, that thing. Very comfortable lather catcher to use. Light pressure, you ain't got no problem with any razor. In the right angle. Make sure you get that angle right. Don't have the blade like that on a safety razor or lather catcher. It's going to be kind of harsh. Make sure you look at it and get that blade like that. 30-degree angle, even steeper with these gem razors, you know, but okay, got that on. And let's use some John Wayne's favorite aftershave. He used to use John Wayne, the actor, the cowboy. Lilac Vegetal. That's what I seen on him. It was his favorite aftershave. John Wayne. Good burn. All right. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Alrighty. And oh yeah, I got my Ace Frehley shirt. And I got lather all over him. Oh, sorry about that, Ace. One of the best guitar pickers in the world. He can make a guitar talk. But Ace Frehley, yeah, I got some Kiss shirts from Temu. I had to get rid of Temu. They kept sending me, wanting me to keep buying stuff. But yeah, Ace Frehley t-shirt. Okay then, oh gosh, please bring back the 70s. I missed that. Oh my goodness. Yep, I was 5 years old when Woodstock, I was born in 64. I think I was 5 when Woodstock was going on. Peace, man, peace, Woodstock. One time I had to get surgery. Oh, I had to get surgery for kidney stone. Drink a lot of milk, got a calcium kidney stone. And I don't know what they shot me up with, but before I was going into surgery, I was so relaxed, you know. Wow. I looked at that nurse, I said, golly, it feels like I'm in Woodstock, man, like I'm smoked some good weed or something. They all got tickled, like I got a flower, you know. I got them tickled, y'all. They got so tickled at me. Like my mama said, I don't mean to be funny, but I can't help it. Okay, let's put some of this, put a little moisture back in the face. Some of this 444 from Portugal. Don't take much. I'm dropping things. You start dropping things when you get older, y'all. Okay then. You know, a lot of people thought Kiss, the rock band, was evil. Yeah, back in the 70s and all that. You dress up like a demon or a cat man or a star child or a spaceman like Ace Frehley. Yeah, that was evil. But found out there was good people. There was businessmen, and they found out how to make money, you know. People didn't realize that about them. And every one of them still living, as far as I know. Anything to do to make money. You got to make money. We can't say they wasn't religious. They probably was. I heard Paul Stanley mention God, you know. Can't judge people. Don't judge people or you will be judged. Which I do. I need to quit that. All right, y'all. Look, that's a BBS. I ain't gonna lie to you. That razor always gave me a BBS. It's a beautiful shaver. Thank y'all for joining me, and have a good weekend. I hope y'all having had a good weekend. It's a day Sunday. Keep having it. And until next time, Mikey Shaves to see y'all next go around. I know I didn't play my guitar again. I'm gonna have to learn some old songs I forgot. But okay, till next time, y'all take care. Mikey Shaves, see y'all later. Okay, bye.